decided to analyze for next safe flights. First of all, this crash has happened by my mistake. Airplane has changed it to unstable when I looked away from it. Secondly, I have never experienced such a strong storm before. Finally, airplane structure which it has engine mount above fuselage caused strong nose down. It is sunny today. I tried to change camera to other place, but I wouldn't know that the worst things happens. I trusted INAV stabilization so much that I wouldn't watch airplane very well. Today the wind direction is along the seashore, so I can't use this area effectively. Regardless of bad wind direction, I often confirm the FPV monitor. Storm began suddenly. Terrain, pull up! The accident was too sudden to react soon. I tried to analyze this crash. When airplane received the crosswind, storm began suddenly. I would pull up elevator soon. I could be managed not to crash to the land. Oh Jesus, what happened? This airplane has engine above the fuselage, so when throttle power rises steeply, airplane roars down. Can you see it? Not only stall effect, but also engine power gives steep descent to airplane. I discovered it on the canal. Motor is still moving. How do I rescue it? I managed to rescue it, but airplane damage is too crucial to fix it. In this time movie, this camera caught a crucial scene, but I could use one time only. This airplane taught fun of building to me, but I was sorry not to be able to take off on the water. They don't sell Flite Test Sea Angel on the shop, so I can't re-challenge it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.